Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan Kumar. Today I am going to present my project Online Virtual Exhibition Platform. In today's digital era, everything is moving online from education to business. And exhibition are no exception. Traditional exhibition required physical space, time and resources, which can limit participation and audience reach. To overcome this limitation, we introduce the concept of an online virtual exhibition platform. Welcome to Artverse, a premium virtual exhibition platform designed for artists, photographers, and art lovers. Our mission is to bridge the gap between creator and their audience through a minimalist museum-inspired digital experiences. Today, I will walk you through the entire journey from joining our community as a creator to how our administrator ensure the high quality of content on the platform. Getting started is seamless. New user can choose their journey as a creator or as a visitor. If you are a new user, you can create your account as a visitor and you can visit the exhibition which are held on our website. But if you want to exhibit your work, then you have to choose creator. Now I am choosing the creator version. First, choose which version you want to create, then enter your name, then write your email, then enter password which you want to authenticate whenever you want to log in. Create account. Now your account is created. First of all, I want to explain you my UI. This is my UI. First of all, this is the area where all the exhibition are viewed to all the user, all the visitor and creator as well as admin. And we have added some filter also. This is the now the filter applied on this section is newest. Now we can adjust the filter to most like. Now you can see most like exhibition will appear first and the minimum like exhibition will appear at last. Now you can see here is the 5 like, so it is at upper, and here it is at 0 like, so it is at down. Okay. Now we applied most shared. Same thing for this. Say, most shared exhibition will at top and the least shared exhibition will at the least. 2 share is the most and 0 share is the least. Okay. Now if you want to search exhibition by the exhibitor name and or by the exhibition title, then you have to write the name. I have created too many accounts from Aryan name, so I will apply that. When I enter my name Aryan, it will search and all the exhibition exhibited by Aryan first name will appear. You can see Aryan Saha, Aryan Kumar, all are my account with a different title and name. If you want to search by title, now remove the name and enter title LPU. See, LPU exhibition has occurred. Now we move to how to upload our work. Okay. Now upload my work. For this you have to click on upload my work. Click here. It will show your profile. This is your role as a creator. So here you can see creator. You can edit your bio, name and profile picture URL and save it. After that, now we move to how to create the exhibition. For creating the exhibition, first we have to enter the name of name or the exhibition title. So I want to upload flower, FLOWER flower. Okay. For this, we have to describe your exhibition. This is a red rose. Okay. For now, move to the category. Here we have category art or photographer. For this exhibition, we have selected two, artist and photographer. Now we are uploading photography, so we will select photography. Okay. Now after that, we have added two different way. First, via link or via upload image. Via link, if your work is uploaded anywhere on the Google or something else on the network, then you have to just copy the image address of that image and paste here. But we choose to upload via image. Upload via image. Now we have video option also, but to reduce the load of our website, we choose to upload video via link only for now. we choose image. For now we have to add some tag. If you want to add tag, so I am adding as tag as rose. Okay, now we have to choose file also. Choose file. Here is the flower.jpg. I have choose. See, this is a red flower. Now submit exhibition. I want to describe the adding function and their access control. So we are now adding some more exhibition so that I can explain you admin protocol. Now you can see all the exhibition are in pending state. Here you can see pending word here, and we will see how the admin take decision to make this exhibition as public or not. Okay, now for this we have to log out from my creator account. Log out. Now I am logging into my admin account for the further process. Here we have admin account, sign in. And this is the main page of my admin account. This is a dashboard. In this dashboard only we can see how many number of users I have, and how many number of exhibition, and how many exhibition are approved, pending and rejected. And if someone commented on any exhibition, the count of exhibition will increase here. Okay, now we move to the pending submission and taking decision how admin can check and give the security to others. Now see this. When you click on preview, you can see all the detail, title, bio and creator name. Okay, if all things are okay, then you have to approve this. Okay, the exhibition approved. And I think this is also good. This is not violate our rules and not illegal for the government and for something not give bad impression to the child. Then I will approve this also, and I am going to approve this also. Now you can see this image can affect a child and lead to miscellaneous activity. So I need to delete this exhibition. Okay, so I will delete this exhibition. So this exhibition is permanently deleted, removed from my website and my storage too. And you can see I want to show my rejection feature, so that's why I am clicking on rejection on this. When you click rejection, exhibit rejected, and now you can see all the numeric value are increases and pending become 0. Now we can see all the exhibition which are held on my website from all exhibition sections. In this section you can see all the exhibition which are held on our website. Okay, on our virtual platform. Now here is the category who are uploading this image, artist or photographer. And this is the creator who uploaded this image. Okay, and this is the status. Now we can change the status also. If we click on cross, then the exhibition got rejected. You can see here the exhibition got rejected, and after the refresh the status will change. Now we can approve this also. Again I have approved this exhibition, so the status will again refresh. And if you want to remove the exhibition because someone is commenting very bad or wrong things, then you can delete that exhibition also. And if you want to see preview from here, you can see the preview. Okay, this is the preview I have selected. And now we are moving to the user section where we can see all the registered member of at our platform. Okay, this is the role which we have as a creator, visitor and admin. If we going to give the admin access to the user from this section, then it will give the status only, not going to give the access, because to give the access we have to use the terminal, which were done by the developer only. And if you want to change the role from creator to visitor and visitor to creator, you can do here. You can see here I am changing to visitor to creator and creator to visitor. And we have the function to ban and unban the users. If the user are illegal and did something wrong, then we can ban this. And for this I am going to show you this feature by banning our account, which I used to learn you how to create our account. Okay, and I am going to ban it. When I clicked on ban, it got banned. Okay, and we can unban it also. Now I am going to log out from this and logging again, which I created some time ago. That is Aryan123. When you try to sign in, it will show you the account, your account has been banned. Are you clear? And now you want to unwind this, then we have to go back to the admin account, sign in, and need to unwind that account again. When we click to unwind, it will got unwind. Now have to log out, log in again, and stay in the account to get and sign in. Now you can see welcome back Arvind Kumar. Means my account is unbanned again. Artverse is more than just a website. It is a living, breathing digital museum. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Artverse experience.